Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Refersion tracking from your affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling Refersion tracking from your affiliate program, first, log into your Refersion account. Navigate to the settings section of your dashboard. In the settings menu, locate and click on the integrations tab. Scroll down to find the section related to the platform or e-commerce site you are using. Identify the integration for the tracking setup. Click on the option to disconnect or remove the integration. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the disconnection. Next, head to your website's backend to remove any tracking code that was added. Locate the section where the Refersion tracking code was initially inserted. Delete the Refersion tracking code from your site's header or footer. Save your changes to ensure the code is fully removed. After that, return to your Refersion dashboard. Go to the Affiliate Programs section. Select the program from which you wish to uninstall Refersion tracking. Look for the option to delete or deactivate the program. Confirm your selection to remove the affiliate program from Refersion. Simultaneously, review any email notifications related to the uninstallation. Ensure all affiliate links and reporting features are disabled. Finally, conduct a thorough check on your website to confirm the removal is complete. After confirming, you can proceed with auditing any remaining tracking configurations as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.